In this lesson, you can learn Kotlin with me. And Kotlin is a program language that makes developers happier. It's the Kotlin official website. You can see you have some parts to multi-platform, mobile, server-side, web front-end, and Android. They can do anything you can see, and they use some demo. And so now let's begin and let's start a Kotlin example. Yes. Now let's open the idea. I use the IntelliJ IDEA to develop the and before that you used to install the JVM in the Java tools, and that you can click next. Let me create an example KT example. Open it. The path is this. You can click the finished. Yes, the new window. And let's create a new project for this. Yes, okay. The field is empty. You can create a path. Let's create red button. Let's wait load. Please wait new and the package and through the common kt learn dot introduce. Yes, I can create a first kt example. Learn one. Yes. Can include main. It automatically creates a function. Main function. Yes. And you can print. Yes. You can print hello world. Yes. The first program is finished. You can click the button and run. I'm waiting for the results. I ignore it. Wait. Yes, they can print the hello world. Yes, it's almost the example. The Kotlin is usually in the package. You used to have a package in the past, and a second entry point to Kotlin application is main function. Yes. When you write the endpoint to the right, there have a green button you can click. It lists lots of elements, and you can click the run. Yes, you will get results on the console. Yes, and on print also know this the semicolons optional. You can write it or remove it. Yes, it's the first Kotlin program. Let's see the next example. And next see the function. Yes, you can create another fields. All rats in there. It's also okay. You can create define another function. The Kotlin function, the keyword is F1. It's fun. Yes. And next and the funky words is the function name. You can name it print message or some message string. Yes, this is the variable name. This is the type, variable type. Yes, and it's the return type. Units is mean the none. It's similar as the Java's void. But it has some difference. So later I will explain. So then let's run. Continue to run message. Print the message. You can write this. You can remove it. It doesn't matter because I installed the Kotlin, and the Kotlin is check your Kotlin programmer. The next function is the print message with prefix. Message and prefix and string. That means the default value is info. If when you involve and methods, you only pass the parameters. The second parameter value will be set to info. Yes, it's a dollar prefix. The dollar message. The dollar can pass the variable. They can use the variable within the string. In this, let's invoke it and hello. That's hello. Let's run it. I invoke the first message. Yes, it's output hello. Although there is an issue in it, but it doesn't matter, and you can remove it. Yeah, you can remove it. The plugin, you can see the plugin Kotlin. This you can store it and make your Kotlin programmer code better. Yes. And the second method is this print message with prefix, and you can invoke it and pre-message with fix and hello. The second parameter log, and you can invoke this pass only one parameter is okay, and the second is the default value info. We can run it and get a result. Yes, log hello is the two parameters in the method, and the is hello is log. Yes, and so the print log, and the second is hello. Yes, when you input only one parameter, and the message value is a string, and the second is a default value info. So they print info with the info and the message. Yes, it's very simple. So let me see the third method. It's the function sum. Sum function is very simply, and you can invoke it. Sum x the 1 2 1 2 it's 3. Yes, let's add and multiply you can write like this. This method like Java or another program language. This is very simple. Yes, you can print it and multiply 2, 4. You get 8. The result. Let's see the infix function. Infix function mixed with the infix keyword could be coded use the infix notation. Here must be member functions or extended functions. Must be a single parameter. Parameter should not accept a variable number of arguments, and it must not be default value. Yes, what is the variable arguments? It's like this. In case you can pass a variable number of arguments to the function this. The number of the parameter is variable. Yes, it's a lot of parameters. Yes, so you can use it. One is the who invoked, and is the function name, and the 2 is the parameter. Yes, it's the same as this. Yes, it's very simple. Fix functions times I write a times function and the string repeated these. Yes, it's repeated these. You can see the repeated definition. Yes, return a string contains the char sequence repeat n types. So print 3 times by 3 times by. Yes. And the result by. Yes. The 3 invoke the times function and the parameter is by. So the this is 3. So it's same as doing the repeat 3. Yes, same as this. So the print 3 times 5. Yes. It's a very funny function in fixed. You must remember it's the only one parameter. Pair, we can see some pair here. Pair almost is another destruction. The destructor is like the element of the map. like, and another is the class. It's only the introduced lessons, so I will I'll tell the detail in the next lessons in the string. It's defined a class person. The person is a blueprint. It must have one parameter is a name. So you must input a name parameters into the person to get the instance. Yes, we can define the variable multiple list of person. The list person is many persons, so we define a list and multiple. It can modify it. In fixed, we define fixed as the function name and only one parameters. Other people, other person. Yes. Okay. Other persons. Other. Yes. You can invoke the like function and to add another person to use like it linked. So sorry, like it linked. Yes. So you can create two persons. S1, S1, S2, S2. Sorry. Okay. S1 likes S2. Yes. You can set the breakpoint. You can click the debug. So you run it. Oh yeah, you can count the variable. The person S1, S2. S1 has one element in the lucky people is S2. Yes, S2 is empty. Yes. Okay. It's in fixed. It's in fixed keyword. It's very powerful. Yes. Oh, let's learn another functions. Just another is the operator. Is the operator function. Operator function. Yes. Operator function int. It's another int. It's another int. Command it and define another times function. Is the operator symbol for times is the star. Is the multiply. So you can call it this. Let's see. This operator function. So you can see the buy. It's many fancy things. The operator symbol 4 times. It starts. Yes, you can write another day. It's another I think used repeatedly. So it's very funny thing, right? For close the by. Yes. Look at the by. It invokes the by and it can be override minus and plus ring times and so on times and times plus. Yes, so you can see it in the file, run it, then you can get the result 5 times by. Yeah, yes, there's more funny things. Where arguments lets you to pass any numbers of arguments by separating them with the commas. You can see is print all the arc message string for because the message is a list is a lot of elements in the message containers. So if you want to iterate it, you should use the for loops and print it. Each element is m. Print it, and the main function is the print all. It's hello h1 h2 yes, invokes this and the method it inputs many parameters in this. So and it's running it. You can get these results. Yes. You can in the function all the prefix values messages string prefix 4 messages the list bring it prefix at the end. Yes. You can invoke it. Use this. I comment it, and the second parameter prefix is high. You can see. You can see the results. The hi, hello, hi, h1, h2, hi, haha. Yes, first, if you don't use the prefix, it's okay. No value passed for the parameter prefix. Yes, they can sync. The parameter is also the method is the var arg. So you must write this. Yes, I have introduced the hello world and the function. The function is the default parameter values. And the second has the infix function. Yes, the infix function. Mm, infix function. As next is the operator function. You can override the ith, the times. Yes. The last is the var-argument functions. You can use the var-arguments as the parameter keyword, and you can input many parameters in it. But second parameter, you should write the name, prefix equals blah blah. Yes. Okay, I have introduced the Kotlin word and functions. The next video I will introduce the variables and the classes. Yeah, thanks.